So this is a really handy dandy tool we like to use for the most recent project of the septic system, making sure all the field lines are level, and for doing foundation things. It's an awesome tool if you're trying to level something that's bigger than 10 feet, like something on a big scale. If you're leveling out the pad to build the house, or the foundation forms, or this and that's. This is called a rotary level, laser level. So what this does is, first of all, this is self-leveling, and when you turn it on, it shoots a laser on a wheel right here. So it shoots a laser just 360 degrees, just constantly shooting a laser. And then in this fashion, we turn this on, and this will read the laser, right? So what you do is you get it positioned just like you want it. You turn the lock off, and what it'll do is it'll beep if it's not within the parameter of self-leveling. So that won't self-level. So you got to get it until it won't do that anymore, until it's level. Then you turn it on. So you can kind of see, I don't know if you can see the laser light flashing in my hand there. You got high, medium, and low speed for this laser shooting around here. And so what we're going to do now is kind of set a reference point with this handy dandy stick and laser sensor. So if I want to take a measurement, and I'm going to do this spot right here where my foot is, I'm going to place the measuring stick right there, and then I'm going to adjust this reader until it shows green. So again, we set a reference point to that mark right there. So wherever I go with this reader, it's going to be calling it level to that point that I just measured according to the laser. So that point would be level with that point right there. So in the example of the foundation, right? So what I'll do is I will set my reference of my laser on the foundation form. See? So we get our level of what the foundation is, and I do that just so it doesn't beep, and we can talk about it, turn it backwards so that the laser doesn't see it. So we have a measurement of where the top of the form is, so I can come over here to where the pad's going to be, and I can literally see where that level line according to the form is, right? So if I turn it here, so about right there is going to be the top of the foundation. You got about 8 inches there is what the plans call for rock, rebar, and all these different things. So that's really convenient to use this tool. So that's kind of how you use it. That's how we're using it right now. You can also take this off the tripod and rotate it, and it can give you a straight line if you're trying to hang big sheets of material, sheetrock, things like that. It can shoot all the way across the room. There's other applications you can use, but right now we're just trying to get some level forms and septic right now going on. So this is absolutely critical. We're not sponsored by this brand if you see the logo anywhere. So all 3 of our followers, it doesn't really matter. But you can pick them up anywhere. They're a little expensive, but man, they are a workhorse, and it's kind of a must to have one of these tools to do this kind of work. So that's all, folks.